Mansour and the donkey. This is North Africa in the afternoon. The sun is hot, very hot. Mansour comes to sell watermelons. He sees a beautiful girl. A beautiful girl with big brown eyes. The girl's name is Marissa. She's beautiful, Mansour thinks. I want to marry her. Marissa lives in a big house, but Mansour does not have a lot of money. The next day, Mansour goes to Marissa's house. He wears his best clothes and he takes some flowers. Marissa's father opens the door. "Sir," says Mansour, "I want to marry your daughter." Marissa's father likes Mansour. "Do you have any money?" he asks. "Yes, sir," says Mansour. 20 coins. Marissa's father smiles. "Come back when you have 500, he says. "Then you can marry Marissa." "500 coins, thinks Mansour. How can I get 500 coins? Then he remembers. My uncle, my rich uncle. Perhaps he can give me some money. So he walks to his uncle's house. His uncle's house does not look good. Everything is old. Everything is broken. Mansour sees his uncle's white donkey. It is thin and sad. "Poor donkey," says Mansour. "Are you hungry?" Mansour gives some coins to a farmer. "Can I have some hay for this donkey, please?" he says. The donkey eats hungrily. Then it scratches the ground with one foot. Mansour smiles. "Are you saying thank you?" Mansour goes into the house. "Mansour," says his uncle. "Come in, come in." Mansour's uncle is very old. He does not look rich. He looks thin and sad. "I am not very well, Mansour," he says. "I can't remember anything these days." Mansour makes some tea, and his uncle smiles. "Uncle," says Mansour, "there is a beautiful girl. I have to get 500 coins. Then I can marry her. Can you give me some work?" "I'm sorry, Mansour," says his uncle sadly. "I don't know where my money is. I can't remember. I have no money and no more food." They look for the money. They look all day, but they can't see it anywhere. "Oh dear," says the old man sadly. "No money and no more food. Tomorrow I must sell my donkey, my little white donkey. So the next day they walk into town. No one wants a donkey. He's too thin, they say. He's too old. Here, uncle, says Mansour. Take my money. Sell your donkey to me. Thank you, Mansour, says his uncle. You are a good boy. Mansour's uncle is happy. But Mansour has no money now. He only has the donkey. A few weeks later, two men come to see Mansour. Mansour, they cry. Your uncle is dead. We're so sorry. But his house is yours. It is old and broken, but it is yours. Mansour and the donkey walk to the house. The sun is hot, very hot. Mansour thinks about Marissa. I have to get 500 coins, donkey, he says. I want to marry Marissa. At last, they come to the house. The donkey looks at Mansour, and it scratches the ground. Are you hungry? Says Mansour. He gives the donkey some hay, but the donkey isn't hungry. It just scratches the ground again. Are you thirsty? Says Mansour. He gives the donkey some water, but the donkey isn't thirsty. It just scratches the ground again. Are you telling me something? Asks Mansour. There is an old spade by the house. Mansour gets it. Do you want me to dig here? He says. The donkey scratches the ground. Mansour digs and digs. He digs all day, and then he finds a box full of money, his uncle's money. Oh, shouts Mansour, now I have 500 coins. Now I can marry Marissa. Thank you, donkey. You're a good friend. A very good friend. The donkey looks at Mansour and smiles.